A man thought to have died after a motorcycle crash started moving moments before doctors were set to cut him open for an ought. The 27-year-old from Mahalingapur in the southern Indian state of Karnataka was taken to a private hospital in a critical condition over the weekend. Doctors there declared him dead and took him off a ventilator before his family moved him to a nearby government hospital for a post-mortem examination. But moments before the pathologist was set to slice the man's corpse open, he saw the body move, his family told local media. The doctor who was preparing to carry out the post-mortem investigation said he had been informed that the man was dead. The Times of India report. He said, as per request of his family members, we visited the hospital and found that he was shaking his hands. When we examined him again thoroughly, we found he was alive. Now he has been admitted to a private hospital for further treatment. A government health officer has since confirmed this and said the injured man was then immediately taken to another hospital, where he was said to be. The official said doctors at the private hospital had exercised bad judgment when they removed him from the ventilator and declared the family has yet to launch a formal complaint. The official